Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Visa gift card on Uber Eats. You can add a Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account as a payment method, so here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open a web browser. In the URL box, type in ubereats.com and press enter. Make sure that you're signed into your Uber Eats account as well. Once you're inside the main home page, click on the menu button or the hamburger button at the top left corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, click on Wallet. Click on Add Payment Method on the next page and select Connect Bank / Gift Cards or Payment Services option. Click on Credit or Debit Card and enter your Visa gift card information. Enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and select your country from the drop-down. Finally, click on Add Card in order to add Visa gift card on Uber Eats. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.